The organic, intricate forms of tree roots have long been a source of fascination and inspiration for artists, designers, and nature enthusiasts alike. These natural structures, with their intricate networks of twists, turns, and branching patterns, possess a remarkable sculptural quality that translates seamlessly into a wide range of design applications. One of the most captivating aspects of incorporating tree roots into design is the sheer diversity of visual styles and aesthetics that can be achieved. From the bold, sweeping curves of mature, gnarled roots to the delicate, filigree-like patterns of younger, more slender root systems, the natural world offers a treasure trove of inspiring forms to draw from. Imagine, for instance, a stunning coffee table or side table with a top that showcases the dramatic, twisting silhouette of an unearthed tree root, its weathered and textured surface serving as a stunning focal point in any living space. The juxtaposition of the organic, sculptural root against the clean lines and contemporary styling of the surrounding furniture creates a captivating interplay of natural and man-made elements. Beyond traditional furniture applications, tree root design can also be beautifully translated into striking wall art and sculptural installations. By carefully preserving and mounting tree roots, artists can transform these natural wonders into awe-inspiring, three-dimensional pieces that command attention and invite closer examination. Envision a sprawling, root-based wall sculpture that cascades across the surface, its intricate tendrils and branches casting mesmerizing shadows and patterns of light and dark. Or imagine a towering, freestanding sculpture composed of an intricate network of roots, each one expertly positioned to create a visually stunning, almost architectural composition. The creative potential of tree root design extends well beyond the realm of static, decorative pieces. Innovative designers have also found ingenious ways to integrate these natural forms into functional, everyday objects, transforming the humble root into a design element that serves a practical purpose. Picture a striking, root-inspired lamp base that casts a warm, organic glow throughout a room, or a unique, root-adorned vase that elevates the presentation of fresh-cut flowers. These design solutions not only showcase the raw, sculptural beauty of tree roots but also demonstrate the versatility of this natural medium in creating truly one-of-a-kind, design-forward pieces. One particularly fascinating aspect of tree root design lies in the sustainability and eco-friendly nature of the material. Unlike many synthetic materials, tree roots are a renewable, biodegradable resource that can be ethically sourced and repurposed, making them an increasingly appealing choice for environmentally conscious designers and consumers. Furthermore, the very act of incorporating tree roots into design can serve as a powerful statement about our connection to the natural world and the importance of preserving and respecting the delicate ecosystems that sustain us. By bringing these organic forms into our homes and public spaces, we are reminded of the beauty and fragility of the natural world, and inspired to be better stewards of the resources we have been entrusted with. As you can see, the world of tree root design is a vast and captivating realm, brimming with creative potential and the opportunity to forge deeper connections with the natural environment. From bold, sculptural furniture pieces to delicate, filigree-like wall art, the organic forms and textures of tree roots offer endless possibilities for designers, artists, and nature enthusiasts alike to explore and showcase the inherent beauty of the natural world. One of the most fascinating aspects of working with tree roots in design is the inherent uniqueness and individuality of each natural form. Just as no two trees are exactly alike, each unearthed root system possesses its own distinctive character, texture, and silhouette, imbuing every piece of tree root-based art or furniture with a truly one-of-a-kind quality. This sense of individuality and authenticity is highly coveted by design enthusiasts and art collectors alike, who often seek out tree root-inspired pieces as a way to bring a touch of the natural world into their living spaces or collections. The idea of owning a truly unique, handcrafted object that bears the imprint of nature's own artistry holds a deep allure, tapping into our innate human desire to connect with the untamed beauty of the outdoors. As designers and artists delve deeper into the realm of tree root design, they often find themselves drawn to the underlying narratives and stories that these natural forms can convey. Each twisted, gnarled root system is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the plant kingdom, having endured the challenges of its environment to grow and thrive. In this way, tree roots can serve as powerful metaphors for themes of perseverance, strength, and the enduring power of nature. By thoughtfully incorporating these narrative elements into their designs, artists can imbue their tree root-based creations with a deeper sense of meaning and emotional resonance. Imagine a stunning wall sculpture that evokes the concept of rooted connections, with its twisting, intertwined roots symbolizing the intricate web of relationships that sustain us. Or envision a sleek, modern coffee table whose organic, undulating form suggests the flowing, fluid movements of a riverbed, capturing the eternal, cyclical nature of the natural world. Beyond the realm of static, decorative pieces, tree root design has also found innovative applications in the realm of functional, everyday objects. Designers have explored the use of tree roots as structural elements in furniture, leveraging the natural strength and stability of these forms to create durable, yet visually striking pieces. Imagine, for instance, a sturdy dining table or desk whose legs are formed from the twisted, interlocking roots of a fallen tree, blending seamlessly with a clean-lined, contemporary tabletop. The resulting piece would not only showcase the inherent beauty of the natural material but also highlight the ingenuity and problem-solving skills of the designer in harnessing the structural properties of tree roots to create a truly functional, yet design-forward piece. Interestingly, the growing interest in sustainable and eco-conscious design practices has also fueled the rise of tree root-based design. As consumers and designers alike seek out materials and methods that minimize their environmental impact, the use of reclaimed or ethically sourced tree roots has become an increasingly appealing option. By repurposing these natural elements, designers can not only reduce waste and promote the circular economy, but also tell a powerful story about their commitment to preserving and respecting the natural world. The very act of incorporating tree roots into a design piece can serve as a visible statement about the designer's values and their desire to forge a deeper, more harmonious relationship between human creativity and the natural environment. As you can see, the world of tree root design is a rich and multifaceted realm, brimming with creative potential, emotional resonance, and environmental significance. From the inherent uniqueness of each natural form to the underlying narratives and metaphors they can convey, tree roots offer designers and artists a truly boundless canvas for exploring the intersection of nature, function, and artistic expression. One aspect of tree root design that is particularly intriguing is the opportunity it presents for collaborative, interdisciplinary approaches. As these natural forms capture the imagination of designers, artists, and craftspeople from diverse backgrounds, the potential for cross-pollination and innovative synergies becomes increasingly apparent. Imagine, for instance, the collaboration between a furniture designer and a woodcarver, where the former brings their expertise in ergonomics and functional design, while the latter contributes their intimate understanding of tree root forms and the intricate techniques required to shape and manipulate them. The result could be a stunning, one-of-a-kind piece that seamlessly blends the disciplines of industrial design and traditional woodworking, creating something that is greater than the sum of its parts. Similarly, tree root design has the potential to foster fruitful collaborations between designers and environmental scientists, where the former draw inspiration from the latter's deep knowledge of plant biology, ecosystem dynamics, and sustainable forestry practices. Such partnerships could lead to the development of innovative design solutions that not only showcase the natural beauty of tree roots but also promote responsible resource management and ecological restoration. Furthermore, the rich visual and tactile qualities of tree roots make them an increasingly appealing medium for artists working across various media, from sculpture and installation to photography and even textile design. By exploring the diverse textures, colors, and patterns found in these natural forms, artists can create works that captivate the senses and challenge our perceptions of what is natural and what is man-made. Imagine, for instance, a series of large-scale, photographic prints that highlight the intricate, almost abstract patterns and structures of tree roots, inviting the viewer to contemplate the hidden complexities and beauty that exist within these unsung natural wonders. Or envision a stunning textile collection that features the organic, sinuous forms of tree roots, translated into bold, modern prints and woven into sumptuous fabrics that bring a touch of nature into the realm of fashion and interior design. One of the most exciting aspects of tree root design is the way it can inspire a deeper appreciation and understanding of the natural world. By bringing these captivating forms into our lived environments, designers and artists have the power to cultivate a sense of wonder, reverence, and connection with the Earth's diverse ecosystems. Imagine, for instance, a stunning, root-inspired sculpture that is installed in a public space, serving as a focal point for educational programming and community engagement. Through guided tours, interactive workshops, and thoughtful interpretive materials, this piece could inspire visitors to learn more about the vital role that tree roots play in supporting healthy forests, regulating water cycles, and providing habitats for a wealth of biodiversity. In this way, tree root design can serve as a powerful tool for environmental advocacy and education, sparking conversations and inspiring actions that promote sustainability, conservation, and a greater respect for the natural world. As more designers and artists embrace the creative potential of these natural forms, the opportunities to use their work as a platform for environmental stewardship will continue to grow and evolve. As we delve deeper into the captivating realm of tree root design, it becomes increasingly clear that this natural medium offers a boundless canvas for creative expression, interdisciplinary collaboration, and the fostering of deeper connections with the earth. Whether you're a designer, an artist, or simply someone who appreciates the inherent beauty and complexity of the natural world, the world of tree root design is sure to captivate and inspire you. So, let your imagination be guided by the twisting, undulating forms of these natural wonders, and discover the myriad ways in which they can transform our living spaces, our artistic practices, and our overall relationship with the environment. The journey of tree root design is one of endless possibilities, and the rewards it holds for those who embrace it are truly profound. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.